Today, we're doing a full camera test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Starting with the ultra-wide video test at 4K 60 FPS, the Galaxy looks brighter and opens up the shadows more. You can see more detail in the ground and darker areas. The iPhone looks more contrasty and controlled. Now this is the main camera video test at 4K 60 FPS. Looking at this scene, the iPhone gives a clean and balanced image. Colors look natural, and the sky is controlled. Samsung looks sharper and more punchy, especially in the grass, water, and ground texture. So Samsung gives more detail and pop, while iPhone feels more consistent and natural. Now this is the optical zoom test, and the difference is clear. Looking at the bird in the water, the Galaxy gives a cleaner and brighter image. The bird is easier to see, and the water texture looks more separated. The iPhone looks slightly darker and more contrasty. The waves have stronger contrast, but the overall shot does not look as clean. Now this is the ultra-wide video stabilization test from the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Stabilization matters a lot because shaky footage can ruin a video. Here, the S26 Ultra is doing a solid job. The road, palm tree, and background stay fairly controlled while moving. The ultra-wide lens also helps make the footage look smoother. Now this is the night video test, and this is where things get interesting. Both phones are dealing with a very dark environment. The Galaxy keeps the image darker and more controlled, while the iPhone lifts the exposure more. Here, the iPhone is clearly brighter. You can see more of the road, tree, and background lights. But the Galaxy looks less hazy and more controlled. So iPhone gives more visibility, while Samsung gives a darker but cleaner looking exposure. Now let's move to daylight photos. In good lighting, both phones take excellent shots, but the style is very different. Samsung usually gives you a brighter, sharper, and more punchy image. Colors look more vibrant, and the photo often looks ready for social media. The iPhone gives you a more natural and balanced image. Skin tones, shadows, and highlights usually look more realistic. So if you like photos that pop straight out of the camera, Samsung may look better. But if you want a more realistic image that is easier to edit later, the iPhone is still very strong. Now here are some night mode shots. Samsung usually tries to brighten the scene more, bring out more detail, and make the photo look cleaner. The iPhone also does a great job, but it keeps the night scene a little more natural. If you want a brighter night photo with more visible details, Samsung can look more impressive. But sometimes, Samsung can brighten the scene too much, making it look less realistic. The iPhone may look darker, but sometimes it feels closer to what your eyes actually see. So for night mode, Samsung gives you the dramatic look, while iPhone gives you the more natural look. Both phones are absolute camera beasts, but now I want to hear from you. Which phone won this camera test for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more camera comparisons, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.